Hi, the IELTS exam costs around 15,000 rupees, which is already an exorbitant price. I don't want you to shell out a fortune on top of this just for preparing for the exam, which is why I've compiled a list of the best resources on the internet which are absolutely free, which you can use for preparing for the exam. I'm Diksha Mehta, and in this video, I'm going to share the list of the best resources on the internet right now. So, first of all, let's look at the applications and websites available nowadays. The first one that I have to share with you is IELTS Prep, which is by British Council. Now, British Council used to host the exam in India till a few weeks ago, which is why the app is really good, and if you download it, you will be able to see that it has material for all 4 sections. Not just that, it also has a few preparation tests or mock tests that you can take, including the speaking module where you can record your voice as well. Secondly, we have the Take IELTS website by British Council again, which has a few really good mock tests which you can solve for preparing for the exam. The third one is IELTS.org, the official IELTS site, which has questions categorized according to the different types in the exam. So for example, for reading, you have questions for all 10 different categories which are there in the exam. This is really great if you want to practice a particular question type. For example, matching headings or true false not given. So you can simply go to this website and click on your preferred question type to practice the same. The fourth is extremely useful. It is the IELTS Essential website by IDP. Why this is different and really essential is because this website, along with the regular mock tests, has a computer delivered test which has the same format as that in the computer delivered test. So you can actually use this to understand the user interface of the CBT if you're planning to appear for the CBT test. The site also has the answer keys for the CBT mock test. So if you're going for that exam, I would definitely recommend that you go and check out the IELTS Essential website by IDP. Now, if you are more of a book person and you do not want to refer to websites, don't be disappointed. I do have something in store for you as well. Talking about books, the first one that I have to cover is, of course, the Official Guide to IELTS by Cambridge, which is the official book to refer to if you're going for the IELTS exam. The second again is also IELTS 16 by Cambridge. This book comes in 2 formats, IELTS 16 Academic and IELTS 16 General. Every year, what exactly is in this book is that every year Cambridge issues an official book for the IELTS exam which contains only 4 mock tests. So this is the latest version. This is the 16th book in that series, and it's extremely beneficial if you want to understand how the format of the IELTS exam is going to be. It also includes model answers for the writing module. Moving forward, we have the IELTS 6.5 to 7.5 book by Cambridge by Guy Brookhart. This is really good if you're targeting a band above 7.5, because the difficulty level of the book is designed in a way that it is only for the advanced learners. Now, talking about advanced learners, if you are stuck at a band 7 and let's say you want a band higher than that, so this means you already are an advanced learner and you're making some advanced learner mistakes. What does that mean? So these are some typical mistakes which usually advanced level speakers of the language make. So for you, I have the book Common Errors at IELTS Advanced. This is extremely interesting because for people who are stuck at band 7 or 7.5, what are the errors that you make being a good level, being somebody who's already at a high level of English? So what are these extremely common errors that are made usually? So do check out that book. It has some really insightful questions. Now, next, if you specifically want to focus on grammar, we have a book specially designed for IELTS grammar, which is Cambridge Grammar for IELTS. It is, of course, made by Cambridge, specifically targeting all the topics which can be utilized in the IELTS exam. So it has covered all the topics. For example, the ones that you would need for the IELTS exam. So you have nouns, pronouns, different prepositions, then what topics you would need in the writing exam. For example, your different sentence structures, tenses, etc. Now, if you want something to brush up your vocabulary or improve your vocabulary, there is a similar book for that as well, which is Cambridge Vocabulary for IELTS Exam, which focuses specifically on helping you upgrade your vocabulary to formal vocabulary, which can be used in specifically, very specifically targeting the IELTS writing module. So what kind of verbs would you need for writing a report? What kind of verbs would you need for writing an essay? This is an excellent book for that. All right. And lastly, I'm going to finish off this video by letting you know that we have put the links for all of these websites and books in the description box below. We also have a few absolutely free resources here at Leap Scholar. So the first is, of course, our very famous master classes by Atul Gulati sir, who is our master trainer. These master classes are extremely beneficial if you're going for the IELTS exam. The second free resource that we offer is our newly launched product, the Smart Tests. Now, what are these smart tests? Very simple. You can go to our website and take a sample smart test free. What it does is you can get a free evaluation of your writing and speaking within a minute. So in less than a minute, you will have an evaluation of how well you write and you speak. And the third free resource that we offer is our application for Android phones, which is IELTS Prep by Leap Scholar. So do download it. We have a lot of mock tests and free practice material available on our application as well. Thank you so much. I hope you liked my resources. If you want to share any more books with us, please do comment in the comment sections below. Thank you.